So question number 10. So CD and GH are respectively bisectors of angle ACB and EGF. Right? That means it is an angle bisector. So CD is the angle bisector of ACB. See, ACB. Right? So this line segment CD is the angle bisector of angle C. Okay, you got it? CD is the angle bisector of angle C. They are given angle ACB. What is meant by angle ACB? Angle C. Am I right, pa? Angle ACB means angle C, right? So CD is the angle bisector. What is meant by angle bisector?
So the line segment divides angle two equals, sir.
Angle bisector means dividing into two equal angles. So what are the two equal angles we have? At first it is totally angle C. Now this line divides into two equal angles. Then ACD and BCD, they are equal. So first we will write given. So given is, they are given triangle ABC and triangle FEG. Two different triangles are there. Okay. In that, CD is the, what is CD there? Angle bisector of angle C. What is mean by that? If angle bisector means angle ACD is equal to angle BCD. Let it be equation 1. Got it? ACD and BCD, they are equal. In the same way, GH is the angle bisector of G. That's what given there. Am I right, pa? GH is the angle bisector of angle G. That means FGH is equal to EGH. Let it be equation 2. These are all given. Am I right, pa? So once again, I'm reading the question. Listen very carefully. CD and GH are respectively bisectors of ACB and FGE, such that D and point H lie on the side AB and side FP. Am I right? D is a point on the side AB. Am I right, pa? From the figure, you can easily understand. D is a point on the side AB and H is the point on the side FE of triangle ABC and FEG. One more very important information has been given. What is that? This is very important.
ABC is similar to FEG.
FEG triangle.
Triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Right? Let it be equation 3. Because what is mean by similar, pa?
So the sides and angles are equal. Corresponding.
The corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are proportional.
Sides are proportional.
AB by BC by AC. So AB by, come on, two triangles are similar. What was the corresponding angle of AB?
Sir, FE,
EG and FG, sir.
And what about angle? Angle A is equal to?
Angle F.
Angle B is equal to?
Angle B is equal to angle E.
Angle C is equal to?
C is equal to angle G.
Let this be equation 3. Okay, not this one. Let this be equation 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Now we'll enter into the, what is the first proof we have to do, pa? First one.
CD
by GH is equal to AC by FG. See, CD. by GH is equal to AC by FG. That's what we are supposed to prove here. So if you want to prove these ratios are equal, what you have to do? You have to prove two different triangles. One is triangle ACD, another one triangle FGH. You have to prove these two triangles as triangle ACD and triangle FGH, both as similar. Okay, ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to prove these two as similar. Okay, if you prove these two as similar, then only can able to write these ratios are equal, right? So how we are going to prove? Just see. In triangle ACD, see the upper part of the triangle, right? Pa? ACD. Am I right? Able to see where is ACD? ACD. Here, FGH. Am I right? Upper part of the triangle. Here, angle A and angle F are equal. Do you agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
From equation 3. Am I right, pa?
Yes.
Because two triangles are similar, A is equal to F. So angle A is equal to angle F. So I'm going to use AA similarity. One more angle I'm going to use.
Angle C is equal to angle
Very
G.
good. Angle C is equal to angle G. Also from equation 3. So multiply 1 by 2 on both sides. Half of C. What is half of C? ACD. Am I right, pa? Angle C. What is half of C? C means the entire angle. Half of C means because CD is the bisector. CD is the bisector. That means half of C is equal to ACD. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Half of G.
FGH.
FGH. See, in triangle ACD and FGH, AF are equal, ACD and FGH are equal. Then what we can conclude by AA similarity criterion, triangle ACD is similar to triangle
FGH.
then corresponding sides are proportional, right?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes,
Okay, come on, right? AC
So AC by FG
and AD. Okay, come on. AC by what is the corresponding side of AC?
FG.
sir.
So CD,
GH.
AD,
Sir, FH.
so what we need is the first two. Am I right, pa? See, AC by FG is equal to CD by GH. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
First proof is over. Okay, now we'll concentrate on the second one. What about the second proof, pa?
Triangle DCB similar to triangle HG.
Triangle HG.
Yes, triangle. Second proof, listen very carefully. Triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. This is to be proved, am I right? To prove triangle DCB similar to triangle HGE. So the lower part of the triangle, at first initially we told the upper part ACD and FGH are similar. Am I right, pa? Now we are going to prove the lower part of the triangle. What is that? DCB similar to HGE. You got it, or shall I repeat? If you want, I will repeat.
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
Yes. What was the first proof? This angle 1, this triangle 1 and triangle 2, we proved it as similar. Am I right, pa? Triangle ACD
Yes, sir.
and FGH. These two triangles we proved it as similar. Now, the second proof, we are going to prove the lower part, that is triangle 3 and triangle 4. What is the name of triangle 3?
Sir, DCB.
DCB. Here,
HG.
we are going to prove these two as similar. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah, same proof. See, in triangle DCB, in triangle HGE. What about B and D?
Equal.
B and D are equal, sir.
Right? C and G is also equal. Am I right?
Yes, from 3.
Angle C is equal to angle G. What about half of angle C and half of angle G?
Sir,
Angle DCB is equal to
DCB
Yeah,
by
DCB,
HG.
HG. Double A similarity criteria. These two triangles are similar. Simple. You got it?
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes,
in
sir.
triangle DCB and triangle HGE, angle B is equal to angle E. That you have mentioned it as equation 3. Am I right, Pa? Equation
sir.
3 you mentioned. B is equal to E. Same C is equal to G. Am I right? We know that C
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to G. Multiply 1 by 2 on both sides. Half of C. Because CD is bisector. So entire C is bisected into 2 equal half. So half of C means DCB. Here half of G means half of G means
Angle HG.
so angle DCB is equal to angle HGE. So by
double
double A
A criteria.
similarity criterion, we can state triangle
DCB is similar to
DCB is similar to triangle HGE.
HG.
Second one we approve. Am I right, Pa? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What about the third proof?
Sir, we already proved it.
Similar to
Ah.
The same as
triangle
before,
DF.
sir.
To prove triangle DCA similar to triangle
HGF.
HGF. See, in triangle DCA and triangle HGF, see the diagram? Where is DCA?
Sir, triangle 1.
Triangle
Upper
1.
part of
Yeah. HGF
Triangle 2.
triangle 2, sir.
already proved, we proved triangle 1 is similar to triangle 2. Am I right, Pa?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see there they are given ACD FGH. இங்க என்ன சொல்லிட்டா மாத்தி DCA HGF அவ்வளவுதான். ரெண்டும் ஒண்ணு தானே. இந்த ட்ரையாங்கிள ஏசிடின்னு சொல்லலாம் டிசிஏன்னு சொல்லலாம். அந்த மாதிரி தான் மாத்தி இருக்காங்க. யூ காட் த தேர்ட் ப்ரூஃப்?
Yes, sir.
அப்ப என்ன சொல்லலாம் இந்த பட் இருந்தாலும் அவன் கேட்டுட்டான், அதுக்கோசம் சால்வ் தான் பண்ணணும். ரெஃபர் சொல்யூஷன் ஒண்ணுலாம் சொல்ல முடியாது. ஸோ டிசிஏ அண்ட் ஹெச்ஜிஎஃப் angle A is equal to angle F. Am I right, Pa? DCA
Yes, sir.
angle A is equal to angle F. Then angle C is equal to angle G.
Angle
Multiply
G.
with 1 by 2. Therefore, angle ACD
Angle
is equal to angle HGF. Am I right, Pa? Okay, upper part of the angle ACD FGH. Okay. So by double A similarity criterion, triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. Hence proved. All double A similarity, a simple proof. Any doubt, Pa?